Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to PayPal using your bank account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see I'm on the PayPal app on my iPhone, but you can do the same steps on an Android, or you can go to paypal.com. Now, the first thing we need to make sure is that you have that bank account linked to your account. So we're going to tap on where it says accounts at the bottom left. And then we're going to scroll down until you get to linked banks and cards. If you already see a bank account that is already linked on there, you're good to go. You can start adding that money from that bank account to PayPal. But if you haven't, you can hit add new on here and then just tap on banks. Now just go through the process of logging into your bank. You can see lots of various options, or you can search for it, and you'll just log in to link up PayPal with that bank account. After you've done that, let's top up your money. And you can do that by going to accounts again at the very top. And you can see my balance is $0. I'm just going to choose add money on here. You'll be able to see it defaults to $50. Let's, in case, instead of that, just do $1. And you can see I can choose that bank account that I just added. You can see a couple of Bank of America accounts. Again, if you haven't already, you can just choose to add a new bank at the very bottom and then go through the process that we just went through. But now we're good to go. You can see it will be available in seconds, and I could just hit add $1 now. Just like that, it will pull that money in. Let's hit skip here, and I can refresh this by swiping down, and you should be able to see that available balance goes from $0 to $1, and now it's available to use on PayPal. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.